In this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat keeps crashing on Android or iPhone. First of all, go to Settings. Scroll down until you find Apps, then click on it. Then go to App Management. Then search for Snapchat. Click on it. Then click on Force Stop. Then confirm it. Once you've done that, go to Storage Uses. Here you will see Clear Data and Clear Cache written in bright red. Make sure you click on Clear Cache. Once your cache is cleared, try relaunching Snapchat, and if it is still not working, go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Snapchat. Here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then update your app. And if your app is already up to date, you could try uninstalling Snapchat and try to install it again. One final fix is that you can press and hold on the power button and this power menu will appear. Slide this up to restart and your device will restart. After that, your issue will be fixed. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.